everybody. Today I'm going to make the Surejel recipe for strawberry banana jam because I have a lot of strawberries and they're beautiful. And I have some bananas, which are, they're pretty inexpensive, so it's an easy recipe. And I've got my stuff started, so this is already washed. I washed these strawberries up in a little vinegar water to really cut the dirt off. I always wash produce in vinegar water. It's just really a splash of vinegar into the water. And I started cutting them up before I mash them. I've got my sugar measured out. This is pure cane sugar. You can use any sugar you want. If you want to use white beet sugar, that's fine. It's your choice. I'm not going to disrespect anybody for a choice they make. And let's see, back here, I've already got my pectin measured out, and I measured it because I want to make sure there was 6 tablespoons of pectin in the batch. I seem to be able to get a better set from something like that. So, and I guess I've got to get my lemon juice out. Anyway, this will also call for lemon juice to help acidify it. But being a Surejel recipe, it has more strawberries than it does banana. So, and I'll link the recipe down below. So let me get these mashed up, measured, and into the pan. Okay, the measurement for the strawberries is exactly 3 1/4 cups of mashed strawberries. Okay, now I need exactly 1 1/2 cups of mashed bananas. Okay, this was exactly 1 1/2 cups of mashed bananas. It took 3 kind of smallish to not quite medium-sized bananas, plus I have another one. So, that's why you depend on the final measurement after they're mashed and not the size of the fruit. So, and then it calls for 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now, normally, recipes will call for bottled lemon juice. There's a leaf, a strawberry leaf. They're not poison or anything, but they don't look very pretty. Anyway, they'll call for bottled lemon juice because of consistent acidity. However, Surejel, this is not a user-submitted recipe. This is one of their own recipes. So and it's been around for a long time. So I really believe that this is truly a safe recipe because the huge amount of strawberries acidify it. Plus, lemon juice probably helps retain color and ensure it's set. So, let me get going with this. I'll get this started cooking. Get my jars, they're over here in my canner. Get those heated up and bring you back. Okay, I've got my pectin in here. Let me get it stirred in so it's well dissolved. And then I will bring this to a boil and add my sugar all at once. So let me bring you back. Okay, I have got a little half a teaspoon of butter in here. It helps to reduce the foaming. You stir this continuously while you're waiting for the boil and when it's boiling. Okay. About there. It's not stirring down too much. You don't have to whip it or anything. Just stir gently. But as you can see, it's coming up to a boil. So I will boil this for 1 minute and then skim the foam. And it's really got a lot of foam. Probably because of the bananas, but I don't know.
You added butter.
I did add butter, but there's a lot of foam. Okay, I'll bring you back. As you can see, there's still foam in there, but it's about as good as I could get it without getting fruit into the side bowl. So stir it through a little bit. Then start putting them. This only cans in half-pint jars, y'all. You don't can this in pint jars. The recipe is only for half pints. Bring it up to 1/4 inch headspace. Need a little bit more. Okay. Wipe the rim. This is just a wet paper towel. That's all it is. With sugary stuff, a wet paper towel is sufficient. You don't need the vinegar. Okay, and put on a clean lid and ring. And that's it. Put one in, get another one out. See how many jars. I've got 8 jars in the canner, so I'll bring you back when I get these filled. Okay, I got 3, 6, 8 half pints, regular half pints, and 1 half pint wide mouth. And I still have a little bit of the jam left. So, anyway, I got a little mess on top of that, but it'll wash off. Anyway, put them in the steam canner. It's already boiling. Get my temperature up here to the dark green area, and I'll bring you back. Okay, the indicator is up into my dark green section for my elevation, so I'm going to start my timer for 10 minutes. Okay, I'll let them sit in the canner for a few minutes before I move them out. They've already started sealing. So, 9 half pints of strawberry banana jam. As I said, I'll put the link down below. And I wanted to thank everyone who watches. Thank those who gave to my tip jar. I really appreciate it. You just don't know how much. So there we go. 9 half pints of strawberry banana jam. Ready to cool down, then be washed off. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.